Well, that was annoying. In that last video, my phone died. So, I'm going to try it again. I did do the 200, but I'll show you guys, see if I got it still. So 90, the pin is 100, 425s, 200. Yeah, so 200, still got it. I'm just going to jump to 220, because that's what I jumped to. I went all in to 220 and my phone didn't record any of it. So, I'm just going to pause it. I need a moment to rest, and then I'll show you. All right. I'm going for 220. 90 plus the pin is 10, so that's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. That's 200. 2 10s, 220. Come on. All right, I'm going to go lefty. Okay. So 220 is what I got to try to go for. I had done 210 earlier. Let's see if I can still do it. All right, so 200 you saw me do today. I had footage of me doing up to 220, but stupid phone died. So anyhow, I would be lying. You all would think I'm lying if I said I do 220 without proof. So next time, 220, gonna go up and more.